really quiet. What's going on? Right now. Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Jenna. This is 11:11 with Jenna. I'm here 7 days, 7 nights, 14 times a week. And it is Movement Monday morning because I woke up and thought, I need to move. So I've been moving. I went on a walk. I came back and I was just told that I have a nice chat show going on. I have a nice chat show and I have too many diversities. Hey, let's go to another city today. I think I'll go to San Francisco. From Oakland, the town, I'm going to go to the city. That's right. I'm going to go to the city and celebrate my diversities. Woo! That's a first. Anyway, I'm moving my feet up and down, up and down, up and down. If you can step with me till 11:24, we will have done 1,111 plus steps. So maybe it's just my Mama Grace here. Maybe it's, oh, that's cool. I love that photo. Oh, I do. Hey, William D. What up, brother? William D. William D. And somebody else. Scream, everybody scream. Hey, Michael Keel. Moving. Awesome. Yep. Got my water. I got a nice, pretty big glass of water here. Yes. Michael, are you in San Francisco by any chance? Are you in Oakland by any chance? Are you in Berkeley by our old house? And now I'm doing a little slalom. Feet are back and forth, back and forth. Hands are to the right, feet are to the left. And I'm actually picking up my feet as opposed to dragging them across the floor, because if you don't have tile or a wooden floor, it's harder. So picking them up and doing a little brain gym at the same time. You are getting very happy. You're awake. Everything's moving. Everything's grooving. Let's do, I don't know, let's do some of these because it feels good. And instead of making dizzy right there, I'll just move my hands below the table and I'm slaloming down. I don't ski. I skied, I think, 4 times in my life. Fun, great fun. I just don't, I like cross country skiing. I don't like to go real fast. I don't need to go real fast, but that's just me. I love to be here though. I wake up here and I'm happy because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel. And now I'm going up and down, 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 up and down. Julie. Melanie, whoa, this is like core group party going on here. Hey, hey, over here. Oops, there goes my phone. Yeah, yay. It is a beautiful day. It is brisk. It is beautiful. Are you in Oakland? Are you in Oakland? Are you in the town? Are we in the town at the same time? Feet are up and down, feet are up and down, feet are up and down. 1,111. Julie Luce, are you home from school? Are you home from school today? Anyway, kids, I applied for a job. I had an interview for a job. And then I was told that I had too many diversities. Sorry. As an artist, you got to survive out here. You can't just rely on anybody. You got to book yourself, do yourself, make the website. I don't know how to do a website, but I know how to hire someone, but then I have to do another kind of job to pay for that so I can have that, because people don't buy CDs anymore like they did. If they were still buying CDs, I wouldn't be looking for a job, but I would have been really good at this job. I would have been amazing at this job. I know this. Tea in the house, literally in the house, moving my feet, snapping my fingers. So I just realized I made. What? No. Core group is here. This is so cool, you guys. Monday morning movement, 1,111 steps by 11:24, 10:24, 9:24, 8:24, 5:24, 6:24, whatever it is. I would like to hear this story, Lee Cooper. What's going on? Sisters are singing it for themselves, right? I mean, it would be really nice to be able to make your living solely as a performing musician, but sometimes you teach, sometimes you sing, sometimes you sing for others, sometimes, and then when you do other things, sometimes you book, sometimes you manage, sometimes you produce, sometimes you're doing it all at the same time. Sometimes you're a marketing. Gardner Williams gets it, thank you. Gardner Williams gets it, thank you. Hello, my friend. I'm here. I'm in Oakland, but only till today. I'm going to the city today, and then I'm going out to Orinda. So it's still it has an it's magic. How did they ruin that? There's a commercial now using that for a medication that people are abusing. That's all I'm going to say. Why would you do that? Why would you use a diabetic medication that there's only so much for the people that unfortunately need it so you can lose weight quickly? Hollywood people. That's what I read. I read it on the internet. No, I don't drink coffee. No, I don't drink tea. I do drink tea. Well, I'm the town girl. You see where I am? You know where I am. But only till today. Hey, Mama Grace with the beautiful face. Mama Grace with a beautiful face. Yes, I was told I have too many diversities, too many irons in the fire. Okay. And besides that, you have this daily chat show. Oh, right. Sorry, Lee Cooper. Whoa. Thank you, Lee Cooper. I know you core group know how to do this, but I just got to do it because it was suggested that on a daily basis, I sit here and I say thank you, which I always thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all about the loves and the likes and the happiness. And if you love it, share the show. I'm still moving my feet. If you love it, a generous gift is much appreciated. Venmo at Jenna Mammina, paypal.me/Jenna Sings, and patreon.com/Jenna Mammina. And I have Zelle. Some people say, do you say Zelle? Do you say Zelly? I say Zelle. I need to turn off Do Not Disturb. And I think
okay, I turn Do Not Disturb off.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Actually, when you turn it on, it's bye-bye. Still moving my feet. Yes, you know how most people are starting to think about retirement? I am working on my next career. I wanted it to be this little chat show that I have. But, Lee, what do you mean you booked the wrong dates? Is that the type of thing where you book a reservation, but you're a year off, or was it to the wrong place? Or I've done that before where I've purchased a flight, say from San Francisco to New York, but I really purchased New York to San Francisco. Oops. Or did you do something like you purchased a ticket to Paris, France instead of Paris? Isn't there a Paris somewhere in this country? I know there is. I know, but I don't know where. I've just heard it before. Paris, Texas. I knew if I thought about it for another, sometimes split second, sometimes 3 o'clock in the morning. It just happens. So yes, I am in the town. but I am going to Orinda this evening, but I'm around because I have a gig on Saturday in Sonoma at the Sebastiani Theater. Saturday in Sonoma at Sebastiani Theater. Let's see. What? It was a question of whether we were going to go to DC first and then to LA. There were a lot of variables. I booked a weekend in DC. I booked LA the week after instead of the week before, which is days off of school. This girl is on fire. Gotta be. You gotta be cool. You gotta be wise. You gotta be stronger. You gotta just not have any other interests. Don't be diversity. Who wants to have diversity in their life, in their career, in their capabilities on this planet? You just do one thing and do it well. This girl is on fire. I could have gone up higher, but I didn't wake the neighbors. They're very quiet. It's nice. Anyway, okay, time for me to go take some I hear you, brother. So you booked LA the week after instead of the week before, which is when he's off of school. So that just means a longer vacation. I mean, LA is an education. You could show them all kinds of stuff. Homeschool, on the road. Call you around noon. Grandpa's sitting, call me around noon. Let me think. I have an appointment at 7:30, done at 12 noon, and then I have to get to the city. But you can call. I didn't know you were a grandpa. I'm still moving. Am I at the spa house? Yeah, girl, I'm at the spa house. Gee, Jay is at the spa house. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Could you imagine if I actually did drink coffee? I think I'd have to go to bed. I'd be like, whoa, still moving my feet. William D, we're doing it, brother. We're doing it. We're moving our feet. We're moving our feet. Viore, how do you say it? Viore, la 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 la. I have my Viore on and I'm moving. It's so feels so good. Feels good. Yeah, it feels good. Yeah, Tony. I went to school with those guys. We all went to Laney College at the same time. And then I worked at a recording studio. And then one day they came in and they're like, what are you doing here? Little, what's his name? Too Short Little. Too Short used to call me Paula Abdul. So that kind of went through and they'd be like, yo, Paula, what up, girl? We had the same hair. Different noses. Hers is totally different now. Anyway, they're Oakland, California. That's when I met Vanessa Williams. Oakland, California. We used to have fun back at Live Oak Studio. Still having fun there. Did another studio. I've been to LA several times, needs an education. I'm going to go Monday, move my brain. Monday, move my brain. Tell me about it. Tell us all. I know. I'm telling you, I was like, what? What? Really? You need someone that just, I mean, really good guy. Really good guy. Great guy. I meant you have too many irons in the fire. Too many directions. Too many diversities. I had to look that up, actually. Can you have too many diversities? What does that mean exactly? Because my mother's Native American, Spanish, Italian, has a little bit of Ashkenazi and a little bit of Asian and a little bit of African, and she's all that, and dad's all Sicilian, and that's all Egyptian, and that's all that. Okay. Nobody on my family came over from the Mayflower. I'm just, what does he say? What? Keep going, you guys. Excellent. Oh, wouldn't that be fun? Charleston would be so much fun. I love Charleston. I need to go there. Yeah, stop being so fabulous. Stop, that would be like, don't have so much color around. Okay. All right. Whatevs. Yeah, it didn't feel so good. I'll be honest with you. Overqualified, over diversified. Still going. I think I'm going to be going for more than we're definitely 1100. Julie Luce, are you home from school today? I just want to know what's happening. Curious. Anybody want to meet me in San Francisco? I'm taking Bart. I'm going to get on Bart. Sit in my own little spot. I mean, I'll be big, but I'll be like, on Bart. Get off it. Let's see where I'm going to get off at Powell Street. And then I walk to Union Square. And then I'm going to see Jimmy Jazz. I'm running into Jimmy Jazz in Union Square today. And then I'm going to see another friend of mine because she works at, I think it's Saks. She comes on the show sometime. Say hi, say what up? And then I come back here. Oh, and then I go over to somewhere else. And then I come back here and I pack up the car and roll over to Rinda. So, Melanie, if you're still here, are you here this weekend? Are you around this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? Are you around spring break? Oh, good. Oh, yay, Julie Luce. Yay. So if you want to come on the show sometime this week, I'd love to see you. That'd be cool. Okay, kids, I'm going to go for a walk. And I thought about doing this today, but doing this for a half an hour, this gets a little heavy. Heavy, girl, that's heavy. I'm still moving. Are you still moving? Michael Keel and William D. Oh, you're still watching. Yay. Okay, so it's Monday. Last night, I loved. Did you happen to watch the show last night with Emily? Flight attendant extraordinaire, just did her first class flight this weekend. So proud of her. I love her. I've known her since she was maybe 15 years old. Maybe younger. You think about it. If you add 3 years, 14, 15 years old, and now she's a flight attendant on American. I'm just kidding. I'm super happy for her. But to talk about the different things about being a flight attendant, they don't get paid until the door is closed. Then they start. Then the clock starts. And then they get a per diem of $1. What'd she say? $1.75 or $1.25 an hour? Yeah, she's gonna do great. New doctor tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Yeah. Oh, she's hysterical. I have laughed with her so hard. I've had such good times with her. She's wonderful. She's already done really well. I just really wish I could get this new camera to work so that I wouldn't be using this camera from the computer, from my laptop. Okay, kids, I'm out. I'm still moving my feet. Let's create a little heat. Do this. Get the metabolism going. Diversify. Hands on the eyes. Still moving my feet. Okay, feet are going like this. Out. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Jenna Mammina. This is my chat show, 11:11 with Jenna, where all things matter as far as diversity of what you do in your life. And if you want to eat chocolate chip cookies for breakfast, if that makes you feel good, it feels good. Or celery juice, it feels good. Whatever it is, own it, enjoy it, love it. Stay safe, stay healthy, be real nice. And from my thoughts, I'll say, I just want to play. I just want to walk around and see what's going on. I just love everything about this town. The town, Oakland, yes. From your thoughts, make them exciting. From your words, make it excellent. From your heart, always be emotional, because that's how you feel. And then you roll along, and then you roll along, right out the door. Love heart, everybody. Thank you for being here. Core group, the fam.